Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing my mobile machine. So as you can see right off the bat that this product or this website is a scam. But before we get into the details, this is exactly why I made a research guide, so you don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, we have it here in malware tips. So is my mobile machine a scam or legit? So let's see, there's an investigation right here. So they go over, malware tips goes over how the scam works. So as you can see, it is basically just a product or an app that supposedly turns your phone into a mobile machine. So as you can see, you can just tap your phone for 7 minutes and earn $1,000 per day, which is too good to be true, since if it is, people would quit their jobs if it was true. There's zero selling, no advertising, and supposedly zero risk. So just from that alone, that is massive red flag, guys. That is too good to be true. And if it is true, why didn't it make the news yet? So right here, there's a sales ad pitch. There's a scam overview. The rebranding tactic, consistency and deception, license to charge repeatedly, affiliated cookie, cutter sales funnel, wide gains traction, and a lot more. So this product or this website is very a scam, guys. So please do not use it. Do not enter anything in. Do not enter your card information or your email or anything, since you might get scammed as well, and you might be susceptible to more scams in the future. And that is it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.